Kenigma Connect. No code, no effort.
In the following example, Azure DevOps and sub-cloud ALM are integrated in a seamless manner. The used data model is just an example and can be adjusted at any time.
On the left, we see the central Kanban board in Azure DevOps. The Kanban board shows different user stories and bugs. Both contain various tasks. The latter are environment-specific. For example, here is a task with a reference to SAP Cloud ALM. On the right side, you can see an incident in ServiceNow. A selection of the corresponding project automatically creates a referencing bug in Azure DevOps. This bug bidirectional is integrated with the corresponding ServiceNow incident.